Son?
Mother.
Where are you going to?
Mother, I want to take a walk around the kingdom.
Oh, I see. Please, make sure you go with the palace guard, oh?
Okay, Mother, I will.
All right.
Mother, could you ask the palace cook to prepare ukwa for me? I'd love to eat it when I come back.
Ukwa?
Yes.
In that case, I'll ask them to prepare ukwa for the royal household.
Mother, do your thing.
And please do not stay long.
I'll wait, Mother. Before you know it, I'll be back.
Please. Please, go with the guard.
Mother, I will.
Keep coming.
Arenzi, help my car. Keep shouting.
Keep shouting.
Leave me alone.
Just keep shouting.
Leave me alone.
You must chew this thing.
I will not cheat.
Chew it and get rid of this rubbish in your womb.
I will not cheat.
You will not cheat.
You said it was not your child. You want to get rid of my first seed.
Okay.
You call me an akuna. I will not cheat. Arenzi, leave me alone. No. Leave me alone. I will not cheat. I will not cheat. Amaga, leave me alone. I'm losing my patience.
Akugo. Okay. Akugo, come back here. Akugo.
Leave me out.
What is going on here?
You want to kill me?
You want to kill me? Stop! My prince, greetings.
You've not answered my question. Why are you chasing the maiden of this kingdom with a machete?
My prince, I...
Speak!
Hey! Akugo!
Come and get her to her hut. Quick! Take her there. I'm coming. Wait, help him. Finally, you are back. May the gods be praised.
What happened?
You fainted.
I did.
Yes, you did. Where is everyone? Your parents, your siblings?
My parents are late.
Oh. I am so sorry about that. So what about your siblings?
My parents had only me before their journey to beyond.
So sorry to hear this. Akugo. So it is you, daughter of late Obiechin. Can you tell me about the drama that transpired between you and Arenzi on the village road? Is he your boyfriend? Akugo, are you pregnant?
He's not my boyfriend.
Then, what is the relationship between you and him? Because no man in his right senses would persuade a maiden to chew an abortion leaf. Akugo. Rumors around the village have it that you are a very decent maiden. Disciplined. Could all this be a lie? Are you pregnant for him?
I'm not pregnant.
Akugo, are you also a liar? I would be on my way.
I cannot possibly tell him that I was violated.
This is my first time of seeing her, even though I have heard so much about her and her gift with craft. News around the kingdom has said that she's a very gifted, beautiful orphan. Very responsible, they say. But the question is, how did a very responsible maiden like Akugo end up in such pitiable situation? A mess. Arenzi. Akugo, what is it? What is it?
My stomach, my stomach. I'm dying. My stomach, please help me. I don't want to die. Please save me.
You won't die, you won't. You eat.
I'm not even eating since morning. My stomach. My stomach.
It's okay. Look, just try.
I'm dying.
Resting a bit. I'm
dying. My stomach.
Put your head Wait, if...
My stomach.
Blood?
My stomach. Afomo. Ewo. Àwọn kwanu mo. Afomo. My stomach. Oh, please.
I know it is bitter. Sorry. I know it is bitter. It is going to help you. Take more. Sorry. I know it is bitter, but it is going to help you. Yeah. Sorry. Akugo, you did this?
Yes. Not just that. The bag, the beads, everything. It's just that I've supplied the ones that I made.
The gods have really blessed you with the gift of creativity. This is beautiful. As beautiful as you.
Thank you.
This is unique.
Thank you, my prince. The way you're looking at the bead seems you like it already.
I love it.
Okay, you can have it. My little gift to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will forever cherish this and keep it safe in remembrance of your generosity.
If you say so, my friends.
Yeah, I love it. Akugo, I have waited for 3 days. Yet, you have refused to tell me what transpired between you and Arenzi.
I was never going to say this.
What do you mean? Say it.
He took advantage of me.
Arenzi took advantage of you. How? Tell me about it.
He got me drunk and...
Arenzi got you drunk? He did that to you? Tell me more.
All my life, I've lived a life of misery, loneliness, and I've just been doing all of this to get over it. Until he cunningly meandered his way into my heart. And that's what happened.
Are you saying Arenzi did all this to you? He tricked his way into your life. and tricked his way out of your life. Arenzi cannot treat you this badly and go scot-free. I must deal with him.
My prince, please, just let it go. I'm a maiden in this kingdom. I don't want this to go out of here. It might not go well with me, please.
Akugo, you do not have to bother yourself, for I am behind you. Look, once I return to the palace, I am going to inform my father, and I will make sure that Arenzi faces due punishment.
To what end, my prince? I already lost the pregnancy. There's no proof. There's no need. Just let it go, please.
Akugo, with everything Arenzi has put you through, the pain, the humiliation, the embarrassment, you want him to just walk away like that? Unpunished?
Ever heard of karma? I just want to leave whatever that happened between Arenzi and I to the gods. I sincerely don't have anything to say about it. If the gods are okay with it, let it be.
No. Greetings, my friend.
No.
Greetings, daughter of Ono.
Thank you, my friend. Papa, careful.
I'm fine.
I can see you're fine.
Let's run.
Maidens, I should be on my way.
My prince. I'm not choosing.
My prince, I just want to tell you, thank you for everything. I did not take it for granted. May the gods bless you.
Thank you.
My friend is right, eh? May the gods bless you, my prince. And give you a beautiful wife just like my friend Akugo.
Oh, please.
Maidens, thank you so much. I should be on my way.
Dalo.
I came at the wrong time. Because of me, you left.
Why are you calling my name? Did he tell you he wants to?
No, you know, see the combo. Oh no, Maka.
What is this thing?
I brought you food.
How did you know I was hungry?
I know now.
My friend.
Wait.
What?
Before this food, just me.
Just see about what?
The prince.
He just came, we were just discussing, nothing more.
Just discussing.
You like a castle?
Look at the combo now.
Prince Jidekene, where have you been all day?
Greetings, mother. Greetings, mother.
Greetings, my prince. You kept us worried. Where have you been?
Mother, I went to see a friend.
Did you just say you went out to see a friend?
Yes, mother.
Prince Jidekene, the last time I checked, you do not have a friend.
Mother, I do have a friend.
Oh, really? The only friend that could make Prince Jidekene to leave the palace without a palace guard is a female. Yes. Am I right? So tell me, who is she?
Mother, why are you interrogating me?
Because you're my son.
Mother, I am exhausted I would like to have some rest.
Come back here. Answer my question. Who is she?
Please, my prince. Next time you want to go out, make sure you go with a guard, at least. Oh, I don't want anything to happen to you. You go on.
Mother, I will. Thank you. I need to take a rest.
Okay. You can now go. It's okay. Mother, sit down.
Sit. Thank God it's back.
Sit down.
Thank the God it's back. Sit down.
Hey, thank God it's back.
Mother, thank the gods that Prince Jude is back safely. But then, you all 4 people should know that Prince Jude Kene is no longer a child. He's an adult, and he should be left alone to do things his own way.
Meaning?
Yeah.
Meaning that Prince Jude Kene is no longer a child. He might decide to go out there and find a bride by himself.
Well, let me say this for clarity's sake. I have said it before and I will repeat it again. I will go out of my way to find a bride.
Yes.
For Prince Jidekene, my son.
Odema.
Mother, please stop. Things are not done that way. My brother is no longer a child, like Prince Chudi said. He is a man of his own and should be allowed to take decision by himself.
Will you shut up your mouth? What do you know?
Mother, enough to know my brother knows what he wants.
Yes. I see. I sense gang up.
Exactly. Don't mind them.
Greetings, Chinwe. How are you?
I'm fine.
I see you went to fetch firewood.
Yes, my friends. They are for my friend Akugo.
Ah. This is very thoughtful of you.
Thank you, my friends. You know, Akugo has been my childhood friend. So now that she's not that strong, I decided to help her out.
It is very obvious. Very obvious.
Yeah.
And I want to talk to you about something, if you don't mind.
Hope there is no problem.
Not at all. It is about your friend, Akugo.
Okay.
The other day I was taking a walk with my guard around the kingdom, and out of nowhere, Akugo ran into me. She was chased by Arenzi, who was holding an abortion leaf. As a matter of fact, I saved her life. And since then, I have been wondering what could have transpired between the both of them.
My prince, the truth is, you won't like to hear the story.
I would like to hear the story. You can confide in me.
Arenzi is such a shameless, senseless, wicked being I've ever seen in my life. Arenzi, with his corny ways, crawled in Akugo's life just to destroy that poor maiden's life, to cause problem and havoc in her life. Arenzi got my friend drunk, made his way with her. The next morning, he disappeared.
Are you sure about this?
My friend, 100% sure. Arenzi took my friend's virginity, her pride, in such bad manner, and he breaks her.
And what did Akugo do about this?
We went to her father's compound just to confront him. Nothing much.
Did Akugo take any further action?
So people will criticize her, so that the world will say evil about her without hearing her own side of the story. She let it slide. Yes. My prince, I want to thank you for everything you've been doing for my friend. We really appreciate. May our gods continue to bless you.
And may the gods bless you too.
Thank you, my prince.
Ichiaruto, you sent for me. I hope there is no problem.
My prince, there's no problem. I just wanted to know what you're thinking about your marital life.
My marital life? What about it?
My prince, don't you think it's a high time you got married?
Ichiaruto, are you talking to me?
My prince, of course, you know there's no other person here. It's only you and I that are here.
I'm all ears.
My prince, shouldn't you be thinking of getting married by now?
I should be thinking of getting married by now.
Yes.
Even when my elder brother, Prince Jidekene, is not yet married? Ichie, you know I cannot do that. You know that, right?
My prince, that's the main reason I decided to bring you here for us to talk. I want you to know that if you get married now before the head prince, you will be in a better position to become the prince and heir to the throne.
Ichiaruto, I am surprised this is coming from you. Wait, is this why you invited me over? To ignite chaos in the royal household?
No, no, prince. I have no intention of doing that.
Enough. I've always known you're an evil man. Yes, I have always known.
My prince.
I said enough. Now let me warn you, Ichiaruto. Let this be the first and the last time you ever invite me over for such nonsensical talks.
My prince. My prince, you are walking out on me. All right. Somebody must break that bond, that royal family. And I can't wait to see that peace and harmony in that family scattered. And there's no other person that will do it. I, Ichie Aruto, I must make sure I break that peace and harmony.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, Akugo. We meet again. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, good to hear. Akugo, you know, since I met you, I've not been able to get you off my mind. I want to be the shoulder you cry on. I like you. I want to be the one you share your fears and triumphs with.
My prince, I don't understand. I'm sorry.
Akugo, what I'm saying is that you're very beautiful and I love you. Alright? As a matter of fact, to show you how serious I am willing to marry you as soon as possible if you accept to be my bride.
Hey, my prince. How? Is it how your father, the king, met your mother and they got married? What are you even saying?
Okay, I understand you. Do you want me to go and announce it to the royal family first? If you want me to do that, I will. Okay, just for you to see how serious I am.
My prince, please, I'm just coming back from the market. I had a very stressful day. I need to go and rest. Biko, you got the knock, oh?
Then in that case, I will go with you to your house.
Eh?
Yes. When we get to your house, you go in, you rest. I'll be waiting just outside for you.
It's again. Please, that cannot happen. Just go. We might meet someone that time. Please, you have to go. Don't follow me now. Go.
Jidekene, I must have to register my disapproval over your delay. What exactly is wrong with you? Why are you not doing what is expected of you as the head prince of this land? Why are you not thinking of marriage? Why?
Father, who said I am not thinking about marriage?
I am the one saying it.
Father, but you know otherwise that I do want to get married.
If you are thinking of marriage, why are you not married? No. Why have you not brought a wife home? Or is it that you cannot do it? Prove to me that you cannot do it and I will go all out and do it for you.
No, please, Father. I can do it for myself.
If you can do it for yourself, why have you not done it?
Father, all I have ever asked, and I am still asking, time, please.
What length of time? I need to know.
Time, Father.
Time. Prince Jidekene, you may not understand what is going on, but I am going to break it down. Get a wife for yourself. Present to me. Because if you fail, and your younger brother marries before you, you will automatically lose your inheritance in this kingdom. And that is the throne of your fathers.
Father? Greetings, Father.
Greetings, son.
Father, guess what? I have found her.
You found who?
The maiden I want to get married to.
Interesting. Who is she and what does she represent?
Father, her name is Akugo.
Akugo.
Yes.
Did you just say you want to get married to Akugo?
Yes, my brother. The most beautiful maiden in Nollywood kingdom. My brother, you need to see her. Father, she is a breathtaking beauty to behold. I am so happy, Father.
You should be.
My brother, you should be happy for me.
What are you getting at?
Akugo, answering a question with another question is not ideal. And I ask you again, what is going on between you and my younger brother, Prince Jody?
He asked me to marry him.
And?
What do you mean, and?
You want to marry my younger brother?
My prince. Prince Jidekene. Why did he walk out like that?
Greetings, Father. Mother?
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of my land.
Greetings, Her Majesty.
Omali Chanwa, you are welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Greetings, Prince Jidekene.
Akugo. Greetings.
Father? Mother, this is Akugo, the beautiful maiden, the one my heart beats for.
Have you made your intention known to her?
Yes, Father. I have asked her to marry me.
I need you to tell me, my son, has she accepted to be your wife? I mean, Akugo,
My king.
have you accepted to be my son's wife?
My king,
Father, like she rightly wants to say, I believe she needs time to think it through.
How?
If you say so.
Nwanka Amaka. Hey! No, bia. Hi, come and hug me.
If you say so.
Come. I can't wait to have you as my daughter-in-law. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh, Nwanka Amaka. Let's sit down. Oh. My king, is she not beautiful? What I feared most is about to happen. Prince Jidekene, you have to beg your brother to slow down for you to find your bride. You must get married before him.
Mother, I would like to be left alone.
I tried stopping this, but you were adamant. Listen, you must not lose the throne to your younger brother. You must not.
Mother, I said I want to be left alone.
And I said, you must do everything you can to get married today, tomorrow. You must not lose your inheritance to Prince Chude. Do not say I did not warn you.
Akugo, you're yet to give me an answer. I am dying to have you.
If I may ask, why do you wish to marry me?
Because you're beautiful.
Wait. You really want to marry me just because I am beautiful?
Yes, Akugo. You're extremely beautiful and you're befitting for a prince.
Prince Judy, you think that is enough for a prince to want to marry a maiden? Just beauty.
Prince Judy.
Akugo, what are you doing with Prince Trudy?
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Eh? What are you doing with him?
Are you seriously asking me that? Are you insane?
Arenzi, don't tell me you did not see me here.
See, let it not be what I'm thinking of. Eh?
You think I care about your thoughts?
Akugo, let me tell you. No one else should have you. I'm the only one. You are mine. You belong to me.
I don't blame you. You're a fool. Imari Ife, Ibonuku. Will you get out from this place?
No problem. Call me names. Just call me names. But we shall see. Kodi?
Arenzi! Arenzi! Arenzi!
What was that? Are you sleeping with Arenzi?
No.
My brother, I want to get married. But then I do not want it to be as if I got married before you. Of course, you know what that entails. You will lose your birthright to me, and I do not want that. So I suggest you get married. Please. I will wait. But please, do not let it take time. Please.
Trudy.
Yes.
You cannot get married to Akugo.
Says who?
Says I. Akugo belongs to me. And mine alone.
You're joking, right?
Do I look like a joke to you? Huh?
Hey, you're serious, oh? Wait, Prince Jide, you mean you want me to leave Akugo for you? You know it's not possible. I cannot leave Akugo for you or for anyone else. I can't. Not now, not ever. Whatever will happen, let it happen. I will not leave Akugo for you.
Trudy, I would advise you as an elder brother. Look elsewhere. Find the maiden that you love and make her your wife. As for Akugo, stay off her. She is mine.
No. Jide, read my lips. I will not leave Akugo for you. Never. Wait, if you knew Akugo was yours all this while, why didn't you bring her to the palace? Oh, you waited for me to do that. You waited for me to bring her to the palace first before you woke up from your slumber. Is that not it?
Trudy, leave my chambers. Now.
Jide, so it has gotten to the level where you're asking me out of your chambers. No problem, I will leave. But know this, Akugo is mine. Akugo is mine and I will fight for everything that is mine. Do you get that? You weakling. Akugo. Akugo.
Who is there?
Akugo.
Who is there? My prince. Greetings.
Greetings.
Why are you here this early? Did you sleep at all last night?
No, I couldn't. I couldn't, Akugo. I couldn't even blink an eye all night.
Why?
You.
How can I be the reason for your insomnia, my prince?
Akugo, you can't leave me for my younger brother.
What do you mean?
I love you, Akugo. I love you.
Not now, my prince. No. You cannot complicate things for me. You're someone I hold at high esteem. No.
I have always loved you. I thought my actions and my eyes would do better. Little did I know that my words were to affirm it. I love you so much, Akugo. Yes, I do. I love you.
Igwe, I cannot believe that the two princes are fighting over my beloved Akugo. I cannot believe it.
Watch your mouth, Arenzi.
Else, what will happen? Eh? What will happen?
Arenzi, if I may ask, why are you here exactly?
Thank you. No. It came to my notice that Prince Jide here and Prince Trudy are fighting over my beloved Akugo. Eh? Which is Akugo belongs to me.
Arenzi, are you now trying to tell us that you and Akugo
It's here, you don't need to. Akugo and I have been doing things everywhere. And I know that if you call her here, she will choose me over these two.
Oh, you think so?
I know so, but I think so.
Then in that case, let her make her choice among the three of us. I am very sure she will choose me instead.
I need to be sure of something. Are you both sure she's going to make a choice from you both?
Father, I don't know for these two people. But for me, I am very confident Akugo will choose me.
Well, as a council, there is an easy way to solve this problem.
Okay.
The maiden is going to be made to choose from the young men. And whoever she chooses marries her.
Your Majesty, Igwe, what is this madness all about? Would you consent to the show of this madness?
It is not issue of consenting. It is issue of solving a problem that is already staring us in the face. It is going to happen next Eke Market Day. She is going to make a choice, and whoever she chooses marries her. This is my verdict.
Igwe, thank you very much. But I know that she will choose me. Eh? No problem. So that day.
Is this the prophecy they told me? Is this reality or still a dream?
Igwe.
I can't believe what I'm feeling.
Akugo, I want to believe you know why we are here.
Yes, my king.
These three young men, two of them my sons, have been fighting to have you. So we ruled in council that today, being a Market Day, you are going to make a choice from amongst them. Yes. So that the fighting will stop. Listen, whoever you will choose becomes your husband.
Akwam. Amoma asaro. And then the book will Omali Changwa. I know you choose me. The gods. Omali Cham. Yeah? Are you leaving me?
Akugo, my love. I know you will choose me. Pay no mind to this thing standing beside me here.
Hey.
Easy.
My love, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this thing.
What's it?
Standing before you is royalty. And I know you cannot afford to make mistakes. Don't forget, I am royalty. And not this buffalo standing here. Come on.
Akwam. Leave him. I know it's me you want.
No, you're getting dangerously close to this thing.
Akwambia.
No.
It's me. Remember all we did? Iman. Eh?
Come. You know I will always be there.
Akugo, you are wasting so much time on this.
Akwa, come.
Make a choice.
Oh.
My prince.
Akugo.
You are my peace of mind. I will choose you over and over again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ibo man! Man! Yeah! Zone! Yeah! Where's zone? Yeah!
Arenzi! Arenzi, wait for us now.
You should go now more than red, man.
I am.
Arenzi, wait for us now. Yeah, Arenzi. Arenzi! Arenzi, wait for us now.
Arenzi, wait for us.
What is funny? Why are you laughing? What is funny?
Wait, let me ask you. What were you thinking? That Akugo will choose you after all you did to her? I'm asking you. And to even think that you came to this contest without no shame. Arenzi, where is your shame?
Wait. Arenzi, do you know that you are very, very wicked? You know that you do not love her. Why put yourself through that stress? Well, I guess your selfishness made you too.
No, you know what? I don't blame two of you. I blame myself for allowing you two of you to follow me to that palace. I blame myself.
Do you even think that we almost lost our inheritance to this new compoop here?
Imagine. Anobim, Afam, do you know our parents wouldn't have forgiven us? Yes, at least losing our inheritances to this fool.
See, Arenzi, I have an advice for you. Just one. I will advise you go and buy cola nut and keg of palm wine and go to Nollywood, your father, and ask him for forgiveness. You will come and take me afterwards.
Not just that. Listen, you also need to go to Akugo and ask for forgiveness. Yes, you offended that maiden so bad. Until then, the curses those two people placed on you will continue to be with you. Afam, let's get going.
You see, Akugo.
I made a great mistake. Why did I allow these two to follow me to the palace? Don't worry.
I don't know why some people can be shameless and evil at the same time. Ekema, do not pretend as if you don't know that I'm talking to you. Hapurumudim, leave my husband alone and stop opening your legs for him. I will not warn you again.
Konwa, now I know you're more senseless than I thought.
Oh.
You think I am you? You think I am you, Konwa, who opens her legs for Ichiharutu? Yes! Everybody in the kingdom knows. Even a sucking child.
Oh. You think you are smart, right? You want to accuse me so that you can hide yourself. Ekema, just say that one more time. Say it and know what I can do.
Okonwa, you cannot do anything. Because I am saying the truth. Yes!
Hey! Onye na amaro mmadu na akpu yo ya. Ekema, you think I am your friend? I am not your friend because you don't know what I'm capable of doing.
You are not capable of doing anything. As for the friendship, it was the moment I knew the evil you are that I decided to distance myself away from you. What can you do? You won't email anything. The only thing you're capable of, let me tell you, the only thing you are capable of doing is meandering around with Ichiharutu. That is the only thing you are capable of doing.
Ekema! Ekema! I can see. You want to join your late husband and leave your children behind.
Who will kill me? Iwerumia? Can you? Of course you cannot kill me. This is not literally baka. Gini kana boya ango otagi. Nkopiagisi. You can't.
So, you want what happened to Waima and her husband happened to you, right?
Go. So you killed them? Akugo na makozo. So you're the one that killed Waima and her husband? And you tagged it on their child, Akugo? Oh, Ezo kanu memo said this.
What is this mad woman saying? Ekema! Hey! Ekema! I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody.
in council, we all saw what happened here yesterday.
Igwe, it was terrible.
Yes, I cannot forget what happened yesterday. In a hurry. I cannot forget it.
And here he comes. My son.
My prince.
And his beautiful bride to be. Yeah. Greetings, father. Greetings, my son.
Greetings, no.
The only prince.
My prince.
Greetings, my
What is it? What is it?
What is after you? What is it?
That which is bigger than the squirrel has visited it.
Woman, speak. What is the problem?
My eyes have seen that which is bigger than them.
Ekema, what have your eyes seen that you cannot tell us here? Have you suddenly gone down?
Wonder.
Esokalu, Okonwa just confessed to me that she's the one that killed Ichiobiechine and Wani.
What?
Ekema.
You mischief maker. Where are you going with all these your bags?
I am running away.
Running away?
Yes, I am running away.
Why now? You did not leave when I asked you to go back to your people that I'm done with this marriage. You vehemently refused. Why are you going now on your own volition?
Mother, where are you going with your bag?
Caesar! What is wrong with your mother?
Caesar!
What has she done?
SZ Okanome has ordered us to bring this your wife to the palace right now.
Mother, what is going on?
If you come with us to the palace, you'll find a woman.
Let's go. Let's go.
What?
Move.
I am innocent.
Let's move.
I am innocent.
None of us stay there.
I am innocent.
No. Move.
I am innocent.
Stop there.
Igwe, this woman was trying to escape.
Yes, Igwe. The evil ones will always try to run when no one is after them.
Oh yes. I am innocent.
Innocent of what? You have not been told of the reason you were summoned before the king, and you are saying you are innocent.
I did not do it.
You are innocent. Can you then tell us why you were trying to escape? Speak to me, woman. Talk with this woman.
I will talk. I will confess.
Confess? Allow her to confess what? Allow her.
It was Ichiaru that told me that my husband was sleeping with Ekema.
What?
Ichiaru to here.
Kujaru.
Always sneak into my late husband's compound to beg me to sleep with him. On 2 different occasions. When I got tired of his pestering. Ichiarut, what is the meaning of this?
Ikemma, why are you being stubborn? Why are you unnecessarily obstinate? Why are you being impossible? Eh?
Aroto, please in one word, can you explain what you mean by I being impossible?
Okay, it's all right. Ikemma, you know your husband is no longer here with us. Eh? Please, let me be scratching your back. Right, just give me a chance. Yeah, I promise you. I am still very strong and active and can always give you that maximum satisfaction you need.
Leave here. Leave my husband's compound. I said leave my late husband's compound.
Wait, come on, wait now. Stop. Right. Stop shouting. Come on. Let me tell you. I love you. I love you. Ekema, I can't believe you are telling me to leave your house. Try to understand. If I may ask, how do you cope with midnight crisis? This is rainy season and the weather is very, very cool. I promise you.
Wait.
Let me.
Stupid man. Shameless he-goat. Mbi. Okay, Mbi. Ifo Gigi, Ifo Choicha. You don't even have a choice of woman in your life. Come here next time. Mbi na gbara ole egwu. Fela dey make it.
Ekema nwanyi ọma mara mma. Nchete gị etu a, ahụ a na-atọ m polina. Ekema.
Aroto, as far as I am concerned, you have lost your respect where I am.
Ekema.
I thought I warned you never to show your ugly face in my late husband's compound.
Ekema, try to understand. I cannot give up on you. I love you. Just give me a chance. Look, I swear, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. I will
enjoy it. I wish you.
I'm now quite a wish. One day, this our talk. Okay, me thankful.
I will enjoy it.
Yeah, sure.
I want us to start from here.
I
will enjoy it. Because my husband is late now. Give me my peace of mind. You have refused to give me my peace of mind. You can't block me! Foolish man! Foolish man! Shameless man! Come and mock me! They come everywhere. Let me make food, Ekema. I want to do medicine, Ekema. Ekema. Come, I want to enjoy it. Let me use this fire and teach you how to enjoy your stupid desires. Foolish man, he-goat, shameless man. Because my husband is no more, that is why you have the guts to come and be disturbing me. I will enjoy it. Come, let me enjoy it. Give me everywhere. Ekema, I want to make food, Ekema. I want to do medicine, Ekema.
It was the Chiaroto that gave me the poisonous substance. To add to the oil my bought from me.
Aroto, who come?
They were to cook with the oil and die.
Who come? So you are sleeping with Aroto under my nose. Hey. Aroto. You see Aroto? Why?
Hey. Why Emma refused me sleeping with her?
Hey. So because a woman refused to sleeping with her, you have to go to this extent?
Hey, Kuramon. Aroto, you want to sleep with a married woman?
She said I'm an imbecile.
Are you not an imbecile?
Are you
not an imbecile?
Looked at me to my face and told me I'm an imbecile. And that her husband is far better than the man I am and the man I will be. Can you imagine?
That is what you like.
Can you just imagine what an Ichie is vomiting out of his mouth?
Rubbish.
Guards! You were here. This man is no longer qualified to be wearing that cap.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Remove it. Take them. to the village square. At the sound the ikoro that will bring other members of the community. Keep stoning them until the gods intervene. And if the gods fail to intervene, stone them to death. Take them out of this place.
You are sorry, I'm actually feeling.
Oh my God!
Widows will fight for me, I told you.
Oh no, we are going to send for the chief priest. Yes. He has to tell us how we are going to sanctify the land that they have defiled. Today is indeed a very wonderful day in the history of Uruago Kingdom. Exactly. After a process that proved to be so long, we finally came to the end of it. The day my first son has taken the beautiful Akugo as his wife. And I am here receiving you into this palace. This marriage is already blessed. Both of you are going to reproduce the children that you can claim. And by the time I am no more, you are going to be crowned Eze. What are your Eze? And Akugo, you are going to transform into Akweze. This union is blessed. You are blessed on Eke Market Day. You are blessed on Ore Market Day. You are blessed on Afro Market Day. And you are blessed on Okwo Market Day. That which you are going to eat will continue to come to you. And that which will eat you will never come. Never. It's a well with you. Never open door. You walk on, man. Man. Yeah. Man. Yeah. Bien. Yeah. Zone. Yeah. Whatever. Ofujale. I know where I'm going to give you. You walk on, man.
Oh, make a oh, Malita. Oh, no. Oh, make a me. Oh, now, but Wali is so good. You know. Eh?
Is this the prophecy they told me? this reality or still a dream? I can't believe what I am feeling, and I see it, I have dreamt it. Chukwu okike odini na fio neje no mo obum na eme. I have been chosen, and my dream came through. This must be wrong. Odim kana wrong. Ihe neme odim kana wrong. Okwano ifuna manya odim kana wrong. Ifeuma odim kana wrong. Ijeno love mo ifuna ya. I was told that I lost myself. I have given no, but the God says no. Till you came and you swept my feet. Now I'm in love, and I hope it's not a dream. Chukwu okike